Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are stepping back in time and diving deep into the rich heritage of Makkah at the Hira Cultural Museum. This museum is a treasure of history and culture, offering a unique glimpse into the past of this sacred city. Located in the heart of the Hira Cultural District, the Hira Cultural Museum is designed to reflect the traditional Hijazi architecture, blending seamlessly with its historical surroundings. Let us explore what makes this museum so special. One of the first things you'll notice is the extensive collection of artifacts that tell the story of Makkah's rich history. Here, you can find everything from ancient manuscripts and pottery to traditional clothing and jewelry. Each piece offers a window into the daily life and culture of the people who have lived here for centuries. The museum also features state-of-the-art interactive exhibits. These displays use modern technology to bring history to life, allowing visitors to engage with the exhibits in a hands-on way. It's a fantastic way to make learning about history fun and engaging. One of my favorite exhibits is the 3D model of Makkah's historical landmarks. It's incredible to see how the city has evolved over time, and the level of detail in these models is truly impressive. To get a deeper understanding of the exhibits, we joined a guided tour led by one of the museum's knowledgeable curators. These tours are highly recommended as they provide valuable insights and stories that you won't find just by reading the display descriptions. Unfortunately, we were not able to record those 3D exhibits, but it is worth visiting. Where a special section of the museum is dedicated to the Cave of Hira, where Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, received the first revelation of the Quran. This exhibit includes detailed information about the cave's significance and its role in Islamic history. Before leaving, we paid a visit to the museum's gift shop, and the first thing you'll notice is the warm and welcoming atmosphere. It's beautifully designed to reflect the cultural heritage of the region. The gift shop offers an impressive array of items, each with a story to tell. From traditional crafts and artisanal products to books, prayer mat and perfumes, so there is something for everyone. The gift shop features traditional Hijazi culture. Each piece is crafted by local artisans using techniques passed down through generations. It's the perfect way to bring a piece of Makkah's rich artistic heritage back home. The gift shop is a popular spot for both tourists and locals. It's a place where you can find unique gifts and learn more about the rich cultural tapestry of Makkah. Thank you for joining us on this cultural adventure. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting vlogs.